This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Apple Watch is paired, nearby, and unlocked. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi make this reliable. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap My Watch at the bottom. You want to find the app under Installed on Apple Watch or Available Apps so you can control its iPhone presence. Make sure the app is installed on the watch first, otherwise install it here. This prepares both devices and surfaces the controls you'll need next. Next, scroll to the specific app entry inside the Watch app and tap it to view settings. This is where the iPhone companion is managed. If you see Show on iPhone or Add App, toggle or tap it so the app appears on your iPhone home screen. This links the Watch app to its iPhone counterpart. If the option is absent, open the App Store on iPhone and install the companion app directly. Once installed, return here to confirm it's visible on the home screen. Finally, check your iPhone home screen or app library to locate the app icon. If you enabled it moments ago, it may appear immediately or after a short delay. If it doesn't show up, restart both iPhone and Apple Watch and recheck the Watch app setting. Simple reboots often resolve sync hiccups. If problems persist, reset sync data in watch settings or unpair, and repair the watch as a last resort. This rebuilds the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.